Dude, what's good? You feel me? Look, we back with another video. So, I ain't gonna lie, today's video is really just like a vlog on some shit. Finna go put gas in the scat. He probably finna bark. This nigga mad as hell, he in the cage. But look, just listen. As soon as I open the door. Well, he crying, but like I said, we finna go put gas in the scat. And we just fucking put oil. Well, I just changed the oil on my Nissan. And then I just gave it a car wash. But we finna go put gas in the scat. I ain't even show y'all what I did to it though. I mean, y'all could have probably tell when y'all seen all that. But we took all the seats out this hoe. See what I'm saying? Yeah, if y'all hear that nigga barking, bro, don't worry about it. But like I said, we finna go put gas in this hoe. Like I said, it's really just like a little chill vlog. Alright, so we sitting in this hot ass car. Finally at the fucking gas station. Everybody just keep fucking staring at me. Like, damn, I just put the fucking thing in there, bro. We already at $20. That's not bad though, cause at first it used to be like 40 fucking dollars for fucking 5 gallons. And I'm at $25 for 5 gallons. I ain't gonna lie, gas is low key. I think gas starting to go down, bro. But I just want to see how much this shit gonna cost. Cause I was at like a quarter. So see how much this shit gonna cost. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, look at this shit. That shit amazing. Then we gotta get every motherfucking thing out this one. This one for the outfit. Then the car leave. Like I said, everybody just fucking staring at me. I don't understand, like, why everybody stare at me. Like I don't understand if they stare at the car. Okay, let me turn that copyright shit down. But I don't understand like why they have to stare at me. Like I understand like if y'all staring at like my car or some shit, but nigga they staring at me. Okay, I didn't know they was finna go. But I'll get back to y'all when we get back to the fucking crib, cause.
Why are you recording me?
What?
Why are you recording me?
I can't record.
No.
Take the glasses back off. What's that? Are them the tickets?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's hot.
I know it's hot. That's why you standing out here. Back up.
Can you move?
Back up. Alright, come on, bro. Yeah. Nissan. Okay. I'm just saying we could take the challenges. Look. Come here.
Oh, no, no seats in there.
I know. You can sit right there. You can sit right there and look like one of them little ass kids. Come back. Just come sit right here real quick.
No!
Just sit right here real quick.
Why? You don't sit right there.
I already sat right there before.
Okay,
so you sit right. I just want to see how it looks.
No!
Sit right there real quick.
For what?
Cause I just want to see how it looks.
Oh my gosh.
Don't complain. Nigga, now turn it. Ugly ass shoes. Come on.
Oh, you always hating on somebody.
You
like,
got
no. I don't know where I'm going.
What?
I don't know where I'm going, so I'm not going.
I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Huh? I'm lying. Move on. Shut the fuck up. All right, look out. What? You talking shit? Alright, so where we supposed to be going? You gonna type the address in? No shit, Sherlock.
Can you turn the car on?
Hell no, I didn't see that.
It's hot as fuck.
It's not even that hot.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's not that. Snatch my phone.
It's not even maps, you dummy.
Nigga, cause you didn't fucking let me type it in. Just snatch my damn.
It's not maps.
Oh, shit. So we supposed to be going to see fucking what, Memory, right? That's what we're saying?
Yeah.
Why are you so close to the damn phone? Oh, never mind, I forgot. She blind.
Stop lying. Travel around the world. then it's gonna take 45 minutes.
To get there?
No, it's gonna take 29.
Starting with 2 a.m.
Snatch one more motherfucking thing. Watch out. Get my damn phone. That's why that one don't fucking work. Move.
Okay, let me put it.
See, she trying to snatch shit. See,
I'm
she
not.
real aggressive.
Let me go. I'm aggressive, but you the one holding me. Okay. Then.
Okay, talk. While we drive.
For 30 minutes, talk.
No, nigga, I was lying. I'm finna fucking tell them.
It's so hot, dude.
Nah, that's cause of all that fucking gel you be putting on your damn head.
I don't even have. This is not even just edge control first of all.
Same fucking.
No, it's not.
Yes, the fucking.
No, it's not.
Same.
No, it's not. No.
Okay,
In 900 feet, turn right onto Amanda Avenue.
Let me see. Bro, hand me my phone camera like that one more fucking time, nigga.
Bro, pay attention.
Nigga, I am. The fuck up.
Okay, dude.
But we'll get back to y'all when we get to the fucking
Got my stuff.
movie theater. Have what's up?
Turn right
Oh,
onto Amanda
hold on,
Avenue.
let me see, cause I think my mama took it out.
Oh my!
She just said put the fucking camera in my pocket.
You don't want to talk about something. You don't want them to think that you're important. Put it in your pocket.
No.
Okay. Sure, don't do it. Travel. What?
Nobody said that. What did I say then? What did I say?
I don't know. You said,
Okay then.
oh, you said.
How the fuck she gonna say? How the fuck she gonna say I said something and she don't even know what the fuck I said?
You said you'll smack out of me.
No, the fuck I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Oh God.
On God.
You're lying.
You're the only one laughing. I'm serious.
Okay, and you're lying.
We'll get back to y'all after the movie, because I don't want them to think that I'm recording their movie and shit.
Scary. What?
But yeah, I'll get back to y'all at the end of the movie, because she getting on my nerves.
What? Can you come?
Say what? I ain't hear you.
Big skull yours.
Nigga, you the one who turned it on.
I know. I'm turning on because I'm cold.
Now that we at the house, she finna go though. She finna leave me. Like usual.
Bro, what?
You can get your chapstick. But like I said, we taking the fucking chally this time. Get your fucking shit and let's go. I don't understand. Like, hold on. No, I need y'all to answer me this in the comments.
Stop.
Look. Can y'all please let me know? She has all this motherfucking room over here. She got room right here. She got room right here. But she decides to park all the way on the opposite side of the fucking street. And she got room in the fucking driveway. I still don't get that shit. She been doing that shit for years. I'm like,
First of all, I haven't been driving for years. But the thing is, the thing is, why am I parking somebody else? I mean, you're not somebody else, but I'm just saying, like, why am I parking your driveway though? I'm just saying, like, this is not my house. I'm parking in nobody's driveway. And then, okay, the only reason I'm parking in front of the house is because I be too lazy to turn around and come park this way. Because I come from this way, so I be too lazy to turn around. So I just park over there. And plus, it give me a straight shot.
I'm finna pull my car out
My
first.
shades.
Where they at?
In your room. Go get them.
Hell no. You gotta get that shit today. I got shit to do.
Bro, let's go get them.
You gotta get them for me.
No, I'll raise up the garage thing.
What the fuck they gotta, that ain't helping me at all.
Let's go get them for you.
Well, where?
On the couch.
All right, bro. I'll be right back, bro. Cause she's
Let me hold it. I will wait.
still confused on why the fuck we gotta walk all the way over
Do
here.
not show my car.
We finna show
Stop.
the whole thing of the car.
No.
I ain't gonna lie, she can't drive.
Yes, I can drive.
She cannot drive.
She on the side of my car.
You said what?
Stay on this
Don't
side.
you pinch me.
Stay on this side.
Okay, I'm staying on this side.
Stay on this side of the car.
Oh, that's a dent over here anyway.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not a dent.
What is that?
I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your car ain't even bad. You just need some fucking tint.
I don't
It's probably why your car always hot as shit.
This shirt.
See? That's why she needs some tint. Cause it be hot as hell in here. Damn, it is hot as hell. See, if you pull it in a fucking shade, you be straight.
Bro, this not even no shade over there.
But
Waiting for connection.
Bluetooth.
get back to y'all when we get to my barber shit. See what I'm saying?
Bye.
Alright, so we finally at this nigga house. You know what I'm saying? Man, this nigga just texted me, probably said, I know. Finna get this fresh ass fade from my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Look how fucking dirty my car is. Look at my. Hey man. I need a fucking car wash. This nigga dog big. This is the next day type beat. This is the next day, you feel me? So, finna go ahead and run to my homeboy JC house and wash the cars before the meet. Cause it is gonna be cars and taco meet today. So we gonna head to that. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get over there. Alright, so you feel me? Put the sliding tires back on. I ain't tell y'all that, but I put them back on. So the drag not on no more. And then, so like I said, with my nigga SRTJ.
Man, we back here. Finna go wash the cars, head to the car meet. Shit.
Cause look how fucking dirty my car is.
Always sliding like this.
But no, I'm not. Very professional. No.
Every day you slide it.
But he's
Why
bullshit,
you
bro.
change the tires? Can't slide the bitch no more.
Yes, I needed them niggas to know who the king of the streets is. You see what I'm saying? You said what?
Pressure washer, nigga. Pressure washer. See that? I
thought it sound like that.
I thought it wasn't a pressure washer. Oh no.
Alright, so now you feel me? Got the soap on there. I just rinsed with the soap and shit. Nigga SRT vlogging too.
Yes, sir, on the phone. Fuck the camera. You don't need cameras. It's too expensive. Why you got a camera? You got a phone.
My phone ass compared to yours. Bro, no. No. That nigga's gay. Oh, hold on. Why is this nigga running? Hold on. No way he running, right? No way he running.
Bro, get away from me, bro. Stop.
I need to rinse my car.
Alright.
And then we gonna put that 360 camera on my shit, see if my shit be shooting flames. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get done rinsing my car. Cause like I said, we probably gonna put that 360 camera on that hoe. Make that hoe look beautiful.
What the fuck? Bro.
Yeah.
Get finna change clothes.
You said you finna change clothes?
Yeah.
Why didn't you just change clothes when you was in there?
Because I left my clothes outside. You got on orange shoes, orange shirt, red car. I said we switch fits.
I say no.
Why not?
My fit tough, right?
It's alright. Maybe they had these nasty ass Russell shorts on, it'd be hard. Put some jeans on, it'd be hard.
I don't like jeans.
Why are you so tall? Get away from me. You shouldn't be this tall. What the? Get back. Got me feeling short.
I'm ready to get tall, bro. Come here, man.
No.
Don't run away from me.
Bro,
Why you running away from
you
greatness?
goddamn tall.
Oh, yeah. Let JC them go.
Shit, I don't even know what the fuck.
What you doing? Showing off this slow ass 5-0?
Long troops?
Oh yeah, long two BB.
How much your car pushing to the wheel, you know? Or how much you think?
I'd say like 425.
425?
I wouldn't say too much.
How many scats you need?
Scat? I beat a lot of scat.
I don't even know how you doing all that.
Like,
I've never had a scat that was
Fuck you.
I've never had a scat that
they don't like scat back on here.
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck this nigga went. BMWs and shit.
But I would say go with a group in.
You said what?
I said I would say go with a group in, but there's so many groups in this bitch.
RT.
That's a classic game.
Look at that. one of the fucking police. I wanna see what the fuck gonna happen. That was dumb as hell.
Hey, you look kind of good.
Bro.
Y'all lost? Y'all lost, Jaden? Come with me, come with me. Come with me, Vlog Squad. What's up, Coochie Gang? Today we back at Cars and Tacos. You already know how we be up in these streets.
Fucking Supra, bro.
Supra.
It's not a Supra!
Bro, it has a fucking wing.
Hey, y'all wanna be in my video?
BMW.
Y'all wanna be in my video?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's up, Coochie Gang? Today we back at Cars and Tacos. You see my new boyfriend right here. He's shy, man. It's okay.
We can sit in the beat.
God damn. What we got over here?
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, stop.
You scaring me, eh?
Yeah, he stopped. Damn. This shit leaking like that.
Your boy broke, bro. He's
Bro,
They just need some gas.
Damn, that shit blew on him.
Hey, no, not the camera. I'm famous. No. I can't be seen.
Okay, that looks really fun.
Nigga shit. Nigga shit leaking, boy. Like,
I don't know how he gets home, guys.
God, nigga got his shit knocked out. That's what you talking about.
I know he was.
Nigga, was that shit green or was that?
Yeah, it was green. That shit was green on God. I was playing fucked up.
Okay. What the fuck they doing? Police came and stopped that shit. Police came and stopped that shit, bro. What the fuck happened?
I got him.
pillow fights and niggas getting on the ground with the car. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, sir. Love the vlog. I love you. You're one person. It's crazy. Oh my God. Nice to meet you too, sir. I haven't seen you in a long time, man.
Hey, 40 roll in it.
40 roll?
Nah, from a dig.
From a dig? Hear this? They want to race me.
What you got? I ain't got nothing. Not yet.
You gotta give me from a dig.
They gonna whoop your ass off a dig.
Hell no. Hey, the police actually cool. Yellow belly nigga. What? Thanks. Line that hoe up.
What you got?
Well, no, him, his dad.
That's what you was talking about.
Line that nigga up.
What's your name?
Hold on, you'll recognize it. Hold on.